Today, I'm going to tell you about a robot design idea I made in CAD. Hi, I'm Seth. I'm the lead designer and lead builder for Team 46311A Nocturnal. So here I'm going to tell you about my CAD. So to start, the first thing is this is obviously a CAD for override, right? So the main thing that I wanted this to be able to do is efficiently collect both the blocks, both the pins that are sideways on the field and the ones that are vertically, like in the match loader or in their starting positions, right? So this is kind of like a proof of concept design that you can do that well. But it's also a design that you could maybe use with like a lot of tweaking as a robot. This is just a very, very rough CAD, needless to say. So, the intake, the horizontal blocks is over here. These would be rubber band rollers. I think it might be best to make these actually all floating rubber band rollers, right? Like the same way like the intakes were a lot of the time when people use flex wheels and pushback, right? Because the pins are like they're not a uniform diameter. So if you want to have contact on the pin at all time, they're gonna need like a lot of flexibility. So yeah, so the goal of this would be to make the pin collect it horizontally and then curve it so then it's standing vertically here. And then, okay, the next part is these flex wheels. These are like kind of acting as a claw, but these would grip the pin and then you could score it. Pin and cup. Everything I say about pins in this video also applies to cups. You would need a little bit of modification to this to make it work with both a pin and a cup at the same time. I don't think they would fit horizontally through here because the next thing is this motor here. This just represents that this whole flex wheel chunk right here could flip this way, right? So that would be for color sorting for the orientation. I think so. I don't know if a pin and a cup together would fit in between these two C channels. I kind of doubt that they would. I don't think they would, but maybe if they're really small. But yeah, when the manual comes out on Monday, I'll make a better CAD. Probably not on Monday, but sometime next week, I'll come out with a better CAD that's actually usable, right? And not just a proof of concept. So yeah, and then this motor right here would be to make this rotate this way, right? So that would be to keep this horizontal, right? Keep this at horizontal, and also so that you can use the second way to intake, which would be having it over here, and that would be how you would intake the vertical pins and cups, right? Over here, if they were just here, this would flip over and you could just go and get them, right? I don't know if flex wheels would be great for that, but this, again, proof of concept. So, and then over here, these would be the flywheel for the side rollers. I definitely think every single robot needs to have something like this. I don't know if these are good exactly. I don't know how high off the ground the flywheels are, or the rollers are, so I don't know how high these would need to be. And then for the raising, to stack the pins and cups very high. So here I have these linear slides, so you'd have a motor probably here, right? And you'd have these gear thingies probably all the way down, so then the motor could make this whole C channel and this whole C channel assembly with these flex wheels go up about 12 inches, right? And then this motor could make this turn so it'd be so this would be up here because if the linear slides, and then this could be like this, right? So this could get up to this high. This could get pretty high up, probably even higher, probably that high up, because 12 inches would be that much, and then that. So this could get to be really high up off the ground, right? I haven't done the calculations for that exactly, but yeah. So I think this could be a decent robot design. Obviously, I didn't CAD the driveline. I didn't CAD any bracing. I could maybe do I could probably do a video later about drivetrain CAD, for what I think would be a good drivetrain. So yeah. Thank you for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe to help us start our channel. Good luck and override.